Charlie, seats. I'm posting this up on your Facebook page to all your fans. Anything that you want to say? Or are you running for office? I'll vote for you. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yep, you are hungry. I will feed you. You are a good boy. Here, let's just get you fed. Let's show. Come on, go on outside. Outside. I got the little dog food here. I got to get to Sam's tomorrow. Wow, you need some water. Charlie eats 3 little bowls a day. Watch his weight. All right, let's make... Have you guys ever seen Charlie stand up? Charlie. Let me get you a treat. You want a treat? This is the original Octone. Oh yeah. You might have seen other fake Octones on the internet, but this is the original. Well, actually, they're not fake because I taught that dog too. Seats. Plots. You're a good boy. Charlie Wilson, Schnell. Go eat. Come on, Schnell, Schnell. That's Charlie Wilson.